Om Swastiastu, Salam Harmoni. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adrianus Ilwayan Ilya Yuda Sukmana. On this occasion, I will present the result of my research with my colleague, Mrs. Desa Putu Parmiti and Mr. Ketut Pujawan. Our research title is Improving Student Arithmetic Ability through Interactive Multimedia Development on Mathematics Competencies of Third Grade Elementary School Student. The background of our research is 1. Mathematics has always been spectacular because of its abstract characteristic. 2. The limitation of student ability in understanding the concept of arithmetic operation. 3. To solve this problem, learning media is needed to attract student interest to learn and motivation by visualizing abstract material. The objective of our research is to examine the effectiveness of interactive multimedia in improving the arithmetic operation skills of third grade elementary school students. This research is a development research that uses the ADDI model, which consists of analyze, design, develop, implementation, and evaluation that takes place in each phase. And research subject. The research subject in expert review stage consists of one content expert, one learning design expert, one instructional media expert, 3 students as individual test subject, 12 students as small group subject, 34 students as subject of product effectiveness test. And the hypothesis of this research is there are differences in student learning outcomes before using interactive multimedia learning and after using interactive multimedia learning. At the testing phase, this development product goes through 3 testing phases, namely the media validity test include content expert review, media expert review, and learning design expert review. Second, product trial phase include individual testing and small group testing. And final phase is product effectiveness test phase. The following shows that the result of product development that were successfully developed. This is the opening of the product, and then this is home page views, and this is content page views, and this evaluation page views. Implementation. The implementation phase of this research is carried out in the form of testing. The data from the result of this study are presented in the table below. The table that presents the expert review result shows that all experts give response that this product is very well qualified. And then the individual testing also get the same response. 3 respondents who come from individual trial students give a very good response, where the average individual trial score was 94. Next, from individual trial, then small group trial was carried out. Based on the table that presents the result of the small group trial, it shows that the average value of student response is 93.67, and this is in the very good quality. The next test, and which is the most important step of this research, is effectiveness product testing. The product effectiveness test was carried out by non-parametric statistical test using the Wilcoxon method. From the analysis using the Wilcoxon method, the probability value, p-value, that has been obtained is 0.001, which is smaller than the critical research threshold, that is 0.05. Thus, the alternative hypothesis of this study can be accepted. So it can be said that there are differences in student learning outcome before using interactive multimedia learning and after using interactive multimedia learning. Conclusion. The conclusion of this study is interactive multimedia learning in mathematics is effective to improving the arithmetic operation ability of third grade elementary school students. This is evidenced by the result of the analysis through the Wilcoxon method, which shows a significant difference between student learning outcome before and after using multimedia through by p-value 0.001, which is lower than 0.05 on a same sign to tail. Thank you. That's our research result that I can present. I close this presentation with Paramo Santi. Om Santi 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 Om.